Hi friends, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today I am going to share a recipe of chicken tikka pizza without yeast and without oven. Let's check out the ingredients. List of ingredients are given in the description box. Today here I am using the normal teacup and spoons for measurement. Take small cubes of chicken and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and mix them very well. Then add 3 tablespoons of curd, whisk it before using. Mix well with the chicken. Now add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and 1 tablespoon of besan. Mix well and rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take 3 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda and mix them very well and keep it aside. Take all-purpose flour or Maida in a big mixing bowl and add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. First mix them well and then add curd about 8 tablespoons and mix the curd well with the flour. And now add the pre-mixed mixture little at a time and knead the dough. Then add 1 tablespoon of refined oil. Make a little runny dough, not like the usual dough of a roti. Now cover the dough with a damp cloth and rest for about at least 1 hour or keep it for 4 to 5 hours if you have enough time. Do not refrigerate, you can keep it near some warm place. Now take a bowl and add 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything very well. Your instant pizza sauce is ready. Returning after 30 minutes, add 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Then add the marinated chicken pieces and cook on medium to high flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of instant pizza sauce. Mix well with the chicken and cook till the chicken pieces are done. Ta-da! Perfectly cooked tikkas are ready. Now add 2 cups of salt as per the size of your kadhai. Place a steel bowl upside down to give a height to the pizza plate. Cover the lid of the kadhai and preheat for about 10 minutes on low to medium flame. Returning after 1 hour, the dough is completely fermented and raised in volume. Now dust little amount of flour and knead for about 2 minutes. Now make 4 small portions from the dough. Dust a little amount of flour on the kitchen top and take a small portion of the dough. Spread the dough with your hand first and then gently roll out the dough. Now take the baking tray or the plate and cut out the shape of the dough according to the size of your baking plate. Gently place the dough on the baking plate and then prick with a fork. It is a very important step. Roll another portion of the dough little smaller than the first one. Prick it in the same way and place it on the hot tawa. Cook like this on both the sides. Now take cheese spread. It should be completely chilled. Keep it in mind that the cheese spread should always be completely chilled and the kadhai you are using should always be completely hot. You can also put some small strips of cheese slices for extra cheesy base. Now place the cheesy side down and interlock the sides and press it with a fork. Now perfectly spread the instant pizza sauce all over the pizza base. Now add the toppings for your pizza. First add the chicken pieces, then some grated mozzarella cheese, and then some veggies as per your choice, and then again some mozzarella cheese. Brush a little amount of raw milk. It helps to keep the pizza sides little soft. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Open the lid of the kadhai and place the pizza plate very carefully. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cheese starts melting, then sprinkle some mixed herbs and chilli flakes. Cover and let it bake. Here the perfectly melted cheesy pizza is ready. Carefully take out the pizza plate. It's completely baked, that too without any oven. Cut it into your desirable shape. Your cheesy burst pizza is ready to be served. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and hit the bell button, and don't forget to like, comment and share.